Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own Google account, your own Gmail account. Go up to the search bar, go ahead and click on gmail.com. And if you don't have a Google account or a Gmail account, this is a screen that you're going to see. Uh, what you're going to do here is you're actually going to click on create account. And it asks for one or two options. It's for myself or for my business. This is a personal account, so I'm going to go ahead and click on for myself. This one, I'm going to create a Gmail account so I can post up videos on YouTube on how to do things, anything IT. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on my my first name. I'm gonna put my first name as Learn IT, Internet Technology. Here you would put your first name and your last name so that it can be personalized for you. Now I already have a username that I want to use, and here it'll check to see if it is available. So I'm going to here click on Learn IT. I'm going to see if it's available. I'm not sure it is. This is how we figure it out. And here what I'm going to do is I'm actually just create a password. Now this password, you got to make sure you remember it because this is how you're going to be able to log in. If not, there are ways to recover your password, but just remember this password so that way you don't have to go through the process of having to reset it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create my own password here. Let's see if so that user is telling me here that the username that I wanted is not available. So let's see what else we can think of. How about learning IT? Let's see. That one's also taken. How about learning IT easy? That one's also taken. Let's see what else can we figure out. How about learning IT for all? Let's find out. Oh, so there, that one took it. Now here it asks for a phone number if you would like. Now this one is good to do if you ever forget your password. You can hook it up to your phone so that it can send a verification to your phone. It's the easiest way to do it, but this only works if you keep your same phone number all the time. If for whatever reason you get a new phone number, you're going to have to go in here and update your phone number so that it reflects your most current phone number. Okay, so for me, I do want to add my phone number here. And then this is a recovery email. So if you have another email, another Gmail account, another Yahoo account, or another AOL or whatever email that you have access to, if you ever forget your email password, it'll send you the link to reset your password to this recovery email. And I do have a recovery email that I want to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and list it here. If you don't, that's fine. I would recommend you do one of or the other because this is going to make it a lot easier for you to recover your password when and if you do forget your password. So here you want to go ahead and put your date of birth. I'm just going to put my date of birth. And then here you're gonna put your gender preference. I mean, or what you identify as. Okay, so that's this part of the thing. Now what they're telling you here is that they want to verify your phone number. If you do add a phone number, they want to verify it. So what they're going to do right now is they're going to send me a verification code to my phone number just to make sure that this phone number does exist. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send. So as you can hear, I just got a text message to my phone. It's asking me for the G number that they sent me. So this is just for them to verify that the number that you put down is an active number. So this is a one-time code. I'm going to verify that. And then it's saying get more from your phone. You can receive video, calls and messages, make Google services. All of this you can add on later. I'm going to skip this for now, but you can add that so that you can link it to your Gmail. And of course, you have your privacy here. You can read through this, but they won't let you create the account if you don't do this. So just go ahead and click on agree. And while we're waiting for this to actually populate the new email address, if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe this channel so you can keep up with the latest and greatest. Okay, so here we go. When you first open up your brand new Gmail account, you're gonna have this is what it's gonna look like. Now I am gonna create more videos that go into more detail, but this was essentially just a how to create a Gmail email account. Okay, so if you did like this video, how simple this was, I will go into further detail later on the aspects of what you can do with these Gmail accounts. But essentially, that's what it is. Here, let me give you a quick rundown of what you're looking at. What Gmail started doing is they started dividing your emails by categories. So you have your promotions, you have your social, and then you have your primary. Your primary is going to be the one that you use whenever you're going to send out an email. Okay, this is your compose button. When you're going to create a new email, you click on that one. Here's your inbox. Here's your starred. If you ever get emails that are important to you, you can click on a starred little button on the side, and it'll actually, when you click on the starred, it'll only give you those. Your snooze button. If you've ever sent an email, it'll show you what you have sent. The drafts. Now this drafts, what this tells you is that sometimes you start creating an email and you get busy, your laptop runs out of battery, for whatever reason you don't send the email. You're going to have emails in your draft, meaning they have been started but they haven't been sent. All right, so if you click here, it's going to ask you for more, or it's going to give you more information. You have your chats, your schedule, all mail. Like notice here you have primary, then you have your social. So you already have two emails from socials from, I guess this is a Match and Harry's. This is like a Razor thing. So these are what emails look like. If I wanted to star this, I would click on star, and now it's starred. And then if I come back over here, it should come out under my starred. You see how it comes out as starred? Okay. So because I started it, it actually put it in my primary now instead of my socials. But I'm gonna unstar it because I really don't want to see those emails in my primary. And then you have your promotions here. So we keep on going down. So what I was trying to get at is that right now you have your primary by itself. Right now I'm under promotions because it's highlighted right here. But I can go to my socials and I can go into my primary. But notice how I have Google Community Team, right? That's one email under primary. Then I have these two under social, and then I have this one under social. If I wanted to see them all at the same time, I would just click on all mail here, and it would give me all of the emails that I have. Okay. So you have your spam here, you have your trash whenever you throw something. Then you have categories. Again, those are your three categories that you have. And then down here you have, you can start a meeting. You can join a meeting and you can learn all these other things. We are going to go ahead and like I said, go into more detail on these in other videos. But this is a very, very quick tutorial on how to create an email and a kind of like a rough a quick, I guess you would say this, like a quick tutorial of what you primarily see on these emails. All right, so this little button over here, let's assume you have like these two. Let's assume you have those. You can select all of them at the same. I only have one, but if you can actually select them all at the same time. If you have 20 or 30 here that you want to delete, you can select here, and you have the action. You can put, I want to delete them all. That's what that one's for. But yeah, as simple as that, guys. All right, please stay tuned for other videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching.